An absolute nightmare came true for me recently. This is a friend's BMW E39 540 that I have been helping him maintain in the past. He was driving along without any warning whatsoever. His foot basically went to the floor on the brake pedal, and it was at that time, obviously, he got the warning on the instrument cluster that the brake fluid level was low. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing left in the reservoir, and that's not just because I've got those hoses disconnected, as you just saw. This is how it came to me, and nothing more came out once I removed those hoses either. These are the hoses in question right here. They come off the ABS pump and disappear inside the right hand side inner fender. The lower one, as you can see here, the hose actually came out of the crimped on fitting and basically allowed all of the brake fluid in the system to leak out without giving any warning, making the car drive with no brakes effectively. These are the two metal lines removed, and these are the two brake lines removed. I tried searching long and hard to find something similar today locally, even if it was longer and I could loop it over and get him operational. Unfortunately, I couldn't. These are going to be something I'll have to buy at the dealer on Monday, because this is a daily driver and we can't have this car sitting around for weeks on end waiting for new ones to come from Germany or eBay. And as you can see, that fitting is basically just sitting on there. Virtually no effort was required to take that off, and as you can imagine, under the brake system pressure, well, that's just not going to hold, and that car is just not going to stop. So it's very fortunate that no one was hurt and the car wasn't damaged in this process. This is the diagram from the ETK. I think I have found the two hoses, but I'm going to get the dealership to look them up anyway. Those are the two part numbers I think they are. They're not the same, they're two different sizes, and hopefully we can get this sorted out as quickly as possible.
Is there anything else in place?